This is a demonstration of high pressure water jet cleaning pumps marketed by Technic Engineering Enterprises, Thane. High pressure water jet cleaning technology is well proven over 30 years, serving many industries for numerous cleaning applications. This system is made of three components. Number 1, high pressure piston pump. Number 2, high pressure hose. And number 3, spraying gun or nozzles. Water jet cleaning can safely loosen and eliminate virtually any type of dirt or deposit simply through the action of high pressure jets, washing away all the dirt and cleaning the surface to its original condition. Water jet cleaning removes the heaviest and most strongly attached dirt in the form of scaling, algae, oil, grease and gum base via multiple passes of various size water jets, solving the problem it would be virtually impossible to address using other physical methods. Wide range of systems starting from 1500 psi high pressure pumps to more than 50,000 psi ultra high pressure water jet blasting systems are available in the market. These ultra high pressure systems are used in dry docks for ship blasting, metal and ceramic cutting, aerosol removing on runways of airports, etc. High pressure cleaning is used in many industries for numerous cleaning applications. Water jet technology is used in engineering industry as well. It is used as on-site cleaning tool in engineering projects. It is used for cleaning material handling equipments, earth movers and other engineering facilities. These systems are lightweight and portable, which ensures easy on-site movement. Water jet cleaning systems are also used in automobile service centers for car washing and used in railway workshop for washing railway wagons and maintenance of other engineering facilities. Water jet technology is ideal for cleaning odd shaped jobs, difficult to reach corners, parts which are on higher end are also be cleaned effortlessly. In chemical and pharmaceutical industry, it is used for cleaning reaction vessels, condensers, cooling towers, tanks, packing in distillation columns and effluent treatment plants. Specially designed nozzles are used for internal cleaning of clogged pipes from inside. Other applications, it is used in food processing units, dairy plants, hatcheries and wineries where day-to-day cleaning is required. Water jet cleaning is also used in company canteens for dishwashing and other utensils. It is observed that up to 50% of saving in water, power and man hours can be achieved as compared to conventional cleaning process.